of Truth. So, nabili ko siya sa store ng 220 yen lang. So, Japan National Volleyball Team. So, sana makuha natin it's either Ren or si Ishikawa or si Nishida-san na may picture. So, yun. So, feeling ko may kasama tong pagkain. So, ito yung mga kasama niya. So, may snack sa loob. So, hindi sayang, diba? Uy! What? What? May sumilip. What? What? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Ran Takahashi. First time.